Hello there designers, you're welcome to Start with Blow. My name is Ruth, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to alter this to a shoulder dart with a Queen Anne neckline that is cut together, so the Queen Anne neckline does not have a yoke piece attached to it. And in this tutorial I've already gone ahead to draft out my basic bodice pattern, and this is my half scale basic bodice. I also have the back around here, so the main focus for this is the front. So I have my chest line, I have my bust line, and I have my waist line. Now if you're yet to see a tutorial on how I drafted this basic bodice pattern, I'll be linking it in the comment section. I've done this video before about a few days ago. I also have a few of them on my YouTube channel. You can check them out, and so we can be on the same page. Now from this I want to determine my over bust line. And how do I do this? I want to come down by my cleavage measurement, that is from this point to wherever I want my cleavage to show. That's if you want your cleavage to show, and if you don't want it to show, of course you're going to measure that and make sure that where it is not showing, right? You can choose to come down to my bust line from my collar measurement, and then when I come down to my bust line, I want to go up by a minimum of 3 inches. Now I can make this up to 4. That's it. Here to here is 7, or let's do here to here 6.5. So maybe half an inch above my bust line, and then I'm going up by 3 inches from the half an inch above my bust line, and this becomes my over bust line. So if you're looking for how to get your over bust line, that is how to go about it. So you draw that across your pattern like you can see me doing, and then the next thing you want to do is connect your shoulder dart. And for me, when I measure from the nape of my neck to the tip of my shoulder, what I have is 4.5 inches. So when I divide that into 2, I have 2.25. So you're going to connect this into your bust point area. And then the next thing we want to do is our tightening of our over bust, because this is a yoke. Even if it's not going to be cut out, and if you don't do this, you're going to have gaping here, so this place will just be loose and it will not look nice. So you can do 0.5 inches on both sides, or 0.5 inch on both sides for minimum. And then you want to connect this back to your bust point area. Now the next thing you want to do is close up this dart, and when you close it up, you can go ahead and blend in this line. You can see where the line literally got to, so you can blend it in and then connect your sweetheart curve. So from here you can connect your sweetheart curve into the point where you want it to get to. So for me, I'm going to be connecting this a bit up because I don't want this to expose my bust too much. So you're connecting this back to your dart line, and you can choose to blend that with your free hand. And next thing I want to do is connect our Queen Anne neckline, and I'm going to be connecting this straight to the nape of my neck from this point. So I hope you can see what is happening here. So after this, we're going to go ahead and cut. Now the focus of this is our neckline. So we're going to cut this out. Of course, you want to blend in your bust area after folding your bust dart so that you don't end up with sharp curves. So when you do this, you have your queen anne neckline. Basically, this is not a difficult thing, so you just make sure that whatever neckline you want to represent on your back, you have it done. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Ruth, and I'll encourage you to follow this page for more tutorials like this. So you join this like so, you have your queen anne neckline. So bye for now.